Come on. Places, please. Places. Yes. Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Valerie, and this is gonna be another vlog. So I just did my first vlog that was fitness related recently, and this vlog is going to be very different from that. So we're gonna be cooking in this video, cooking and drinking. So we're not going to be, healthy by any means. We're not going to be, making it happen. We're just going to be making nachos and margaritas happen tonight. This is going to be what I call like a girls' night for myself. I do these quite often when my boyfriend is either, with a friend for the night or working for the night for some reason. I will just like seize that opportunity and like spend quality time with myself. I don't know. I think some of you introverts may be able to relate to this, but some nights when you're alone, it's just really good to like actively kind of like spend time with yourself and cherish that moment and like make it special. I don't know, and not just like mindlessly scroll on your phone all night or something like that, which I get trapped in all the time. I feel like all I do now is look at my phone and look at Instagram, and it's terrible. But yeah, I wanted to make it special tonight, cook something really good. Originally when I thought of doing this video, I was going to be making buffalo chicken dip and like not even getting creative with it and just using the recipe on the back of the Frank's Red Hot bottle. But then I thought to myself, Valerie, you need to like get creative and give the people what they want. So I thought I would do nachos and a spicy margarita. I have a lot of jalapenos in the fridge that need to be used. I think we're gonna make the margarita first because my kitchen, when I turn the oven on, will be like 80 degrees. And my mixology skills just aren't equipped for that, that environment. So we need to have it as cool as possible in there for mixing and drinking. So we'll do that first, and then we'll get into the nachos. The nachos I'm just making like by intuition. I'm not following a recipe or anything. And these are going to be vegetarian nachos. You can feel free to add whatever meats you want. If you want to do like chicken or steak or taco meat or crab meat, shrimp, whatever. Also, I have like pageant girl hair right now because I'm testing pins for pin curls. So I definitely don't always have curly Shirley Temple hair like this on a Friday night. But tonight I'm going to make these nachos. I'm going to drink this drink, and I'm going to catch up on the Real Housewives of New York because I missed the episode last night. And I'm really mad about it because I was buying the ingredients to cook for you wonderful people. That's okay. We're gonna catch up tonight, and we're gonna spend some quality time with ourselves. So the recipe that I'm gonna be following is from Pinterest originally, but it's on the website. This is Mel Drake, the damn good, easy, spicy margarita. So love that. But it's so funny, these food blogs, like there's so much content and words. Like when you try to find a recipe on a food blog, you have to scroll through an entire novel and like 10 advertisements to get to what you're looking for. So true. So I'm gonna bring you guys down so you can actually see what I'm doing with the angle here for the drink, and I'll go over ingredients and we'll get to mixing. Okay, so we've got ice cubes in our shaker. We have tequila. I'm using Casa Noble today. It says use good tequila. I wanted to find Casamigos, but my liquor store didn't have it, so very sad. Triple sec, half a lime, seeded and juiced, agave nectar, fourth to a half of a jalapeno pepper. I'll see how much I can handle. I'll start small and I'll work my way up. So I'm gonna cut this into slices. Splash of OJ. I have some oranges. Those, and then I have my salt for my rim. It says cilantro for garnish. I really don't want to put cilantro in my margarita, so I'm not gonna do that. All right, so let's get this party started. I'm gonna start slicing the jalapeno. Be very careful. If you get jalapeno in your eye, it's gonna ruin your night, so that's the last thing we want, truly. I'm gonna cut up some lime for garnish as well. Not very easily, I guess. I'm doing a very poor job. I'm doing a very poor job, but that's okay. I get an A for effort. What am I even doing? All right, we have some poorly sliced limes for garnish as well. I have some lime juice that I can use for the drink, just in case I just ruined that. That's okay. I do need to salt my rim, so I'm gonna do that now. Get it, I'm just gonna do it right from here. I'm gonna live kind of dangerously. Very beautiful. How gorgeous. Wonderful, amazing. Doing well, we're doing well already, okay. So 2 ounces of tequila. Again, I'm using Casa Noble, but you can use, I have Jose Cuervo in my cabinet, so please don't be, I didn't go to bartending school, so you're definitely gonna see that. And then I think it's a shot of, or 1 ounce of triple sec. Half a lime seeded and juiced. I think I'm just gonna use lime juice that I have. Is this enough lime juice for 1 person? My goodness, it's like a thunderstorm outside right now. All right, that looks like, it would be like half a lime. No big deal. I just want to make sure I have enough good looking lime slices for garnish because I just ruined my lime with my knife. Half tablespoon of agave. I'm just gonna eyeball this. Okay, and then 1/4 to 1/2 of a jalapeno pepper in slices. I'm gonna be like kind of conservative with this because it's my first. Splash of OJ freshly squeezed, so I'm just gonna kind of eyeball that. This is a navel orange. I think those are good for juicing. Oh, shit. That's not in the instructions. This is not sangria. This is not a sangria tutorial. Do not drop your orange into the shaker. All right, I think I did too much orange juice, but we're just gonna move on. 1 lime, that's for garnish. All right, I think I'm ready to shake this little baby up. I'm not a bartender, so if my shaking skills are subpar, don't judge me. Recipe says shake like hell, so I think I did that. Beautiful. I'm gonna give it a little garnish, some jalapeno. I'm very self-conscious about my garnish right now. Valerie, don't be so self-conscious. Oh no, he died. My garnish just died. Looks pretty good to me. Looks beautiful. I'm excited. Let's taste it. Ooh, I love that. Ooh, let's get this party started. I'm gonna drink this whole thing. I think I went a little overboard with the orange, but I think that was good. I think that was a good call. Okay, success. Margarita was a success. I'm gonna turn you guys around and we are gonna get to making the nachos. All All right, so now we're gonna start making the nachos. I'm gonna preheat my oven to, I think, like 400 degrees. I'm just doing this by like intuition, really. Not following a recipe here. And I have aluminum foil and some cooking spray down just so they don't stick. And I'm gonna put one layer of these cantina chips down. I'm just gonna finish these off and then I have another bag. RIP to those ones. And I'm just gonna do one layer of the toppings, another layer of chips, another layer of toppings, and then I'm gonna bake it. And then I'll put like the fresh vegetables on top. I have some black beans here. And then I have white queso, just the Tostitos brand. You can use whatever queso you like. I just heated it up a little bit so it's easier to, I guess, drizzle. Okay. And then, you know what? Then I'm gonna put jalapenos on the next layer. I just cut up some little like jalapeno halves of the fresh kind. If you want it to be milder, use definitely use jarred jalapenos. But I like it spicy. And then I have the largest bag of cheese that ever lived. This is just Fiesta blend. Any like Colby Jack or Monterey Jack would work. Or like a mild cheddar even. So I'm just gonna spread that over. This is like the key for good nachos. Not just having the shredded cheese, but having this as well is key. And then once this comes out of the oven, the rest of the toppings I have are gonna be some diced tomato, fresh, lettuce, I have some avocado, and then I also have sour cream. So you can use whatever you want. And then I'm gonna bake it for like 10 to 11 minutes, I think. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it to see once it's all melted and a little bit like toasty. And then I'll take it out and we'll almost be done. Okay, so I took the nachos out of the oven at about 10 minutes at 400 degrees and they're really toasty and melty. So now I'm gonna just top it with like the fresh vegetables, and I think I'm gonna start with some lettuce. I just shredded this up. It's just romaine. I think you can even buy it pre-shredded if you want to. Just enough to make it healthy-ish. Not really. Okay. And then I think I'll go in with some diced tomatoes next. And you can even use fresh pico for this. That would be wonderful. And when you dice the tomato, you want to make sure that you get the seeds out of it and like the juices. And then I just have half of an avocado that I just kind of mangled a little bit, but I tried to slice it up. So I'm going to put that on top. You can also do like guacamole. Put that on the very top. And then I've got squeezable sour cream, which I've never used before, but it looked enticing. Oh wait, first things first, I have some extra lime, and I figured I would do like a little squeeze of that over top, because like, you know, lime on your chips is a thing. So I'm gonna put some sour cream on top, and I'm gonna try and be like decorative about it, but we'll see how we do. All right, not too bad. This side looks a little bit funny, but that's okay. This is not the Food Network. All right, I'm just making it worse. Cool, okay. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys what it actually looks like up close. So I think we did a good job. It's nice and toasty and melted. I'm very proud of myself. So again, I think 400 at 10 minutes was perfect, and you can top it with whatever you want, but this is just kind of like a vegetarian version. So now I'm gonna go eat this. So I am back in my living room now. I've got my plate of nachos, which I plated very poorly, but that's not what girls' night is about. We're not about perfection. And I've got a fresh margarita. But yeah, I hope you guys really liked the idea of like the solo girls' night. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys get like free nights to yourself where you can like really make them what you want them to be. And yeah, let me know if you guys like the idea of me like doing recipes and cooking in my vlogs. I like watching other people's vlogs for recipe ideas, so I figured I would do some of my own since I love to cook. But yeah, now I'm gonna just catch up on some Real Housewives of New York, and I will see you guys in the next video.